So. Who wants it? Bangkok. Time to get serious. Prelims is over. Who gets the win? Oh! Both ways! I'm taking that. Woo! Woo! Go, Bangkok! Time to go, round one. Get it, get it. Footwork, you win. Round one. Woo! There you go. Woo! Round one. Win. Woo! Time to go. Round two.
Over Illmatic, I reached for it. This nigga said I couldn't have it. So tried to face and try to keep magic. I'm rabid. You look and face and grab it. Nigga, how the fuck did you figure you could interfere with the music so potent? I that it's slow for a moment before I moved on. Then I heard two songs, the same flavors from the end of the 36 chambers.
Round two, Bangkok.
You were the lucid, the number song carried the nooses.
Steady back up.
Really useless. I gave him flashbacks, and niggas did it too with the fly raps. Even with whips and straps, put on the conscious.
Bangkok.
Up to his face, the motherfucker dead it out of the place. When he claims that he's got contacts, I step to him slow, look deep in his eyes. See the prison was within because he's living a vibe. I grabbed him, these songs are replacing. Now we suffer from brain disintegration. Information is started raining. Visibility low. This has no effect on my ability though. To make a drop in the wind. Look, you see the snap, gotta follow the leader. But I'm a cheater, the abdomen is just a leader. Primary feature. I'm a leader. I'm a rush game and I'm steadily aiming to find the next nigga for maiming. That's my mega six payment. Handy, this mega large nigga try to brand me. I thought you mega blast an enemy. With my mind age is
push it, baby, push it.
Down for a complex matter. It's how I left the data. I could beat the equator. He smiled, I could see him through the earth's vapor. Looking up and down as we walk on solid ground. What my God dropped it what I found. Classics by Jack Conquest, they lost soul. BDB, BE, and Run DMC. Ruin, Biggie, Free Feet.
Hey, you been in California world. That's right,
self-titled, this nigga's my art. Survival, not rival. I'm posting what I saw, I couldn't believe. My enemy was a genetic replica of me. A truly vicious type of war. So now I'm running off, taking back and back. I didn't know how to react to lack. He was in full effectiveness. He didn't affect my intellect, but thoughts I killed myself. With the words of my grandmother in that old folks home. Became very vivid.
That's all in the battle right here.
Damaging my mental fabric. Hellified more habit. I can't stand it, I understand it. Then my torture was expanded by thoughts and commanded. Had a vision of my uncle sitting lying by himself. Meanwhile, I was breaking down my physical health. Body blows, several shots to the head. 98% of things were absorbed by my brain. The other 2% I accepted. Guess so I look with it. Had a vision of defeat event. So now I'm back, strapped and intact. Increasing my brain waves to maximum impact.
That's it. Give it up. 2 rounds.